Hello students, Miss Slyman here with Part B of our Section 4 notes. Now we've got significant figures, and just like the previous video, try and figure out how many significant figures each of these numbers has on your own. What does it mean to be significant? Asking ourselves. So if you haven't guessed already, then make a guess first. Pause your video, make a guess, come back and watch. Okay, so hopefully you're coming back from having guessed, and I'm just going to tell you that this first number, 457, has 3 significant figures. 0.25 has 2 significant figures. 1.03 has 3. 0.000041 has 2. 4.10000 has 6. 1, 2, 3, yep, 6. And 0.03009 has 5 significant figures. So maybe an observation here would be those are all natural numbers. So 4, 5, 7 are all natural. Down here my observation might be that I have 1 0 and 2 natural. And that 1 0 was at the front. Here I have, again, 1 0, 2 natural, but my 0 is in the middle. So up here, my 0 was in front. Down here, I had 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 zeros. And I had 2 naturals. And again, the zeros were in the front. In this next one, I had 4 zeros, 2 naturals. My zeros were at the back or at the end. All right, so now I've got 2 zeros in the front, 2 zeros in the middle, 1 0 at the end. And I've already even sort of highlighted it. I had also 2 natural numbers. So 2 natural and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 zeros. And then they're placed in different places. So 2 at the front, 2 in the middle, 1 at the end. So for significant figures, we always count natural numbers. And there's one of our vocab words again. And in fact, I'm going to use the symbol. So we always count natural numbers. And again, those do not include 0. Zeros at the beginning of a number, well, as we can see here, zeros at the beginning, I can see that here and here, are not significant. And normally we abbreviate significant figures as sig fig. So these are not significant figures. But zeros in the middle of naturals. So zeros in the middle of naturals or at the end. But more specifically, and I should have included one more example, because if I come up here and make one more example, I'm going to put it down here. If we had 5,100, this only has 2 significant figures, and I've got 2 naturals, 2 zeros at the end. But this is a different case because now I have no decimal places. So zeros at the end of a number with decimals. Those are significant. So it's really important when we're counting significant figures that we're looking at where the zeros are. So coming back up to our rounding from before, here I was saying that it's really important to include that 0 to show we rounded to it. This 0 is so important, it's a significant figure. Whereas any other 0, here, these zeros are not significant. These zeros are not significant. So zeros that in scientific notation would disappear, those are not significant. So that's our notes on significant figures. And I will see you in class where we will practice with these things.